Hello and welcome back to another session of Learning Beans. Today we'll be discussing how to speak to people in a pleasant and polite manner on the telephone. टेलीफोन एक ऐसा माध्यम है जहां हम दूसरे को देख नहीं सकते, तो जो हम कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं सिर्फ अपनी आवाज के ही थ्रू कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं. So the impression that we leave behind on the phone has a lasting effect, especially on the professional front. आप अपने को और अपने बिजनेस को, अपनी कंपनी को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, इसलिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप कॉलर को कैसे ग्रीट करते हैं, आपका टोन ऑफ वॉइस कैसा है, आपकी लिसनिंग स्किल्स या सुनने की शक्ति कैसी है, कैसे आप रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, ये सब ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. तो चलिए सीखते हैं हाउ टू मेक एन इफेक्टिव कॉन्वर्सेशन. लेट्स सी हाउ वी इंट्रोड्यूस आवरसेल्व्स ऑन द कॉल. गुड मॉर्निंग, ट्रिप प्लानर, हाउ मे आई हेल्प यू? Good morning. My name is Tina Sharma and I'm calling from MR Regency. May I speak with Mr. Ajay Chopra? Just a moment, please. I shall connect your call. Sure, I will hold on. After a pause, connecting. Hello, may I speak with Mr. Chopra, please? He says. Someone else picks up the call and says, Hello, let me see if he's available. After a pause, he comes back and says, I'm afraid Ajay is not here right now. Can I take a message? She says, Yes. Can you please tell him Tina Sharma called from MR Agency? He says, All right, this is you. I'll make sure Ajay gets your message, Miss Tina. Thank you, you. Goodbye. Goodbye, you says. But they both hang up. So here we learned how to introduce ourselves on the phone, how to transfer a call, how to take messages, and how to close a call. Now let's see a casual conversation between two friends. Hey Rish. Hey Avni, how's it going? Great. I was just calling to see if you wanted to meet up this weekend, says Avni. Yeah, I'd love to. Where do we meet? Says Rish. I thought we could go to the Chinese restaurant we like on Park Street. BBQ? Says Avni. Okay, done. How does BBQ on Saturday at 8 p.m. sound? Says Rish. Sounds great. I'll see you on Saturday then. Bye, says Avni. All right, bye, says Rish, and they hang up. So here we learned a couple of things. हमने इससे क्या सीखा? चलिए देखते हैं. Always start with a greeting. When you address the person by name, you make the caller feel more important and welcome. Maintain a polite and friendly tone. Sound approachable, warm and friendly, so that sets the tone of the conversation. Conversation की शुरुआत अच्छी होती है. Listen carefully and respond accordingly. आप जिस तरह सुनेंगे, आप उस हिसाब से ही respond करेंगे. This proves that you're listening as much as you're talking. Do not interrupt the other person. It would be impolite to do that. Let him finish the call and let him finish talking, and then you can start your part. Number 5, do not keep the caller on hold for a long time. And if you have to, say, excuse me, can you hold on for a minute? I'll be back. Number 6, keep it simple and to the point. Discuss all the relevant details, get all of that, and then keep it at that, especially in a professional conversation. Number 7, speak clearly, slowly, and audibly. Remember, it's a telephone conversation, so the caller is not looking at your mouth movement. Number 8, maintain positive body language. Like we said, आपकी आवाज ही सब कुछ है. तो आप जैसे हैं वो आपकी स्माइल कम्युनिकेट कर रहा है, आपकी वार्मथ कम्युनिकेट कर रहा है. Now let's see the don'ts and the do's in a telephone conversation. Who is there? What do you want? He or she is not here. Call later. And using slangs like yeah, no. It's a complete no. Please avoid slangs and swearing. Be mindful and respectful. So the right thing to do would be to open the conversation with, "Hello, yeah, hi. May I know who's calling? Can I take a message? Please hold on. It was nice talking to you, or good chatting with you, and goodbye." Now let's see some phrases that we use during a phone conversation. Some terms जो हमको यूज करनी चाहिए या करी जाती हैं, like cut off. I'm sorry, you got cut off during the call. That's why I've called you back. Get through. I can't get through to him. Please tell him to call me back. Call back. I'll call you back. I'm a little busy right now. Call up. Can you call up after some time? Mr. Ajay is busy. Hang on. Hold on. I'll check if he's on his seat. Can you hang on for a minute? Hang up. End the call. I'm going to hang up now. It's a little late. And some more phone terms that I use. Break up. Oh, you're breaking up. I can't hear you properly. Maybe it's a bad connection. Put through. Can you put me through to XYZ? Get back. I'll get back to you later. Pass on. Can you pass on my message that I'll meet her in the pantry in 10 minutes? Pick up. Could you pick up the phone, please? Speak up. Can you speak up a little louder? I can't hear you. So these are all for today, and hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching Learning Beans. Stay tuned for more English lessons, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and please hit the bell button to stay updated for more lessons from us. Stay safe and happy learning.